I can't do this. Ace. Please, I need you to do this for me. We're all gonna leave and wait on the other side, and when I blow my horn, you and these elites kill them. Well, I guess this is it.
Guys, I'm gonna hold him off, okay? Here, take my pickaxe.
Ace,
Run. Make it out. You'll be a great
Ace,
kid. Go,
please
Garrett,
tell me
go.
this isn't happening right now. Ace, you're gonna die here. You're going to die.
I'd rather die standing than live kneeling.